Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is your man Kadir Ahmed. This is the continuation of the answering of this guy. I watched one of his videos. He said, we don't need the religious book. We have to go to our traditionals. But man, you forget our traditional. And Ewe is a taboo for him to marry a Ashanti. And Ashanti is a taboo for her to marry a Gan. You forget, in our traditionals, it's now that our mind open that a Hausa man can marry a Christian can marry a Jewish. But you are telling us that we should throw all the religious book and go back to our traditional. But you forget, in our traditional, it's a taboo to marry somebody who is not your tribe. Sometimes, man, my God. I watched one of your debates. Man, you are talking about the heavens, the skies. Even scientists, they don't have that knowledge to that sky, stars, heaven, hell, death, life. They don't. So please, even in this world, that's why I asked you in the first video, even you can count from 1, 2, 3. Do you know the last word of 1, 2, 3? Oh, 2 times 2. Can you count? Can you do 2 times 2? To the last word. Or 2 times 2. Have you ever traveled? Have you ever been on the desert? The desert is flat. But when you are in the desert, there is some distance your eyes cannot see. Even the science that we are boasting of, sometimes it's not fact, it's a theory. It's not fact. It's a reasoning. Like they said that the sun is not a million miles, this. They can't get close to the sun. But the much closer that they get and the much distance that they give it to you. But they don't come to close it just like that. They can't. They just give you approximately how the distance is. Man. When I speak in the first video about the books, man, God Almighty knows that the books is utilized. It's very important for the humanity. Now, there is nothing you can do without written. Because mind, we forget. You can memorize. You can memorize something in your head. You know it. But when somebody asks you to read it, you forget. But you know, but you forget. But the moment you open the books, you see the first letter, then it comes back. Then you can read. You can just open the book just like this and just saw the word and it gives you the starting. You can close the book and you can recite all what you want. But the mind forget. So how on earth you will say that we don't need the books? And it's a very pity. Common sense, you say use your common sense. If you want to use your common sense, man, the first thing common sense you have to do with your own common sense is to learn the language. Before you have common sense, you have to have knowledge. When you have knowledge, then you reason. When you reason, then you use your common sense. That is why my children, I put them in school. It's not like I put them in school to go and find common sense. I put them in school to have knowledge. When they have knowledge, they came to me. Sometimes we used to talk. Then we reason. I tell them, God is this, God is that, God is this. If you do this, God will punish you. God is this, God is that, God is this. I reason with them before common sense. Man. And when you are debating people, then always you use words like attacking, insulting. Don't you use your common sense. Use your common sense and stop shouting. And speak normally, like the people speak to you. Like the way you said the commentary. They are just shouting, you can't hear nothing. Shouting doesn't make you speaking the truth. In Europe here, if you are debating something, you are shouting, people will think you are mad, you are fool. Nobody's interested of listening to you, of shouting. Well, do you have children? Take this example of test. Keep shouting to your children. Want to tell them, if you want to tell them something, just keep shouting on them. And let's hear that they will understand something. And when you finish that, then try again, you speak to them softly and see which one they will pick it very fast and understand what you mean. So shouting and sweating doesn't make you man. You're speaking the truth. I've just watched 2-3 videos of yours. For me, I think it's enough. Me, I don't need to watch any videos. You share it with my page. I saw it. I follow it. I understand what you want. You want to be somebody. You know now, negative newspapers, negative. If a man is speaking about God or about good things in Facebook, he can get only 200, 300 likes. But when a woman brings her big bottles, or when a policeman having sex with a woman, they can get to 4 million, 5 million, 6 million. That is how the world is now. So that is how you are playing your tactics. You see your negativity. You took verse here, you took here, you took there, you took there, you took there, you took here, you took there, you took there. You don't know. You yourself, you say you use your common sense. Are you really using your common sense? Are you? If you are, explain to the people.